Hi all, I am Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel or have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to watch my latest videos. Recently, I got a request from one of the viewers to share an eggless red velvet cake recipe. Please watch my video till the end and let me know how do you like it. Anybody with zero baking skills can also start this venture at home. Let's begin. The required ingredients are Maida 160 gram, that is 1 cup plus 1/4 cup, baking soda half teaspoon, baking powder half teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon in case you are using a plain butter, powdered sugar 1 cup, butter 1/4 cup at a room temperature, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, red color 1 teaspoon, buttermilk, that is half cup of milk plus 1/4 cup of yogurt. Firstly, preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Next, grease the tin with butter or vegetable oil and keep it ready. In a medium bowl, add Maida 160 grams and sieve rest all the ingredients one by one, followed by baking soda half teaspoon, baking powder half teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon. In a large bowl, beat together butter 1/4 cup and sugar 1 cup until light. Now add vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon and red color 1 teaspoon. Mix everything on low speed. Now last of the remaining ingredients, add remaining flour and buttermilk. Gradually add half of the flour and half of the buttermilk. Mix using a spatula. Pour the batter into the greased tin. Tap twice to remove air bubbles. Preheat the oven on convection mode at 180 degrees centigrade and bake the cake for 20 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. Cool for 10 minutes. Demold the cake from the tin and trim the top layer with a knife. We'll be using this top layer to make crumbs. Now I am showing you two ways of cake decoration. First, the easiest one. Place any pattern or stencil. Sprinkle powdered sugar all over. Add cake crumbs at the edges. Top it with your favorite cherries and gems and make slices as required. In second method, take fresh cream, add few drops of lemon juice and powdered sugar. Beat well. Once the whipped cream is ready, top it on the cake. Repeat the decoration by adding crumbs, gems and cherries. Serve with beet coffee to your family. Happy baking! Thanks for watching my video. Do try this recipe at home and let me know which are the recipes you are looking for. Please don't forget to like, comment and share among your loved ones. Bye bye.